Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this series of SQL interview questions and answer, we will see questions like if let's say there are duplicates in the table and interviewer asks like how we can delete the extra record, like keep one copy and delete the extra copy of those records. So here we can see in the table we have a ID, name and department, one ABC ID. This is repetitive multiple times, so we would need to keep a one true copy and delete the remaining one. So for this, we have seen how to identify the duplicate record. Now we'll see like how we can delete it. To perform these operations, we will use the CTE common table expressions and we'll say select star. We'll be selecting all the column and we are using analytic functions row number to rank each of the row using the uh, partitions. So we'll be partitioning based on since it is all duplicate, right? So we'll be using all the columns ID, name and department, and we will be order by ID only. So order by is basically used when we have a date column, right? And we wanted to keep the latest record or the oldest record. So at that time, we use the order by with some date column, ascending and descending based on the requirement. So that's how we deal with this. And we are selecting from employee. Now, before deleting this, it's the best practice to just preview the record. So I'll just say select star from CTE where num. Let's project the output first and then we'll see what is the condition, how we can delete it. So as you can see, the for each of the row, like we have partition based on these three column and we have assigned some number, unique number for each row. Now to make a one true copy, right? We will keep the num equal to 1 and we'll delete the rest of them. So in SQL Server and other editor, it will be like pretty straightforward. Like I can use the delete from city and will say where num equal to num is greater than 1. So this will delete the record. Like it will keep the one record and delete the rest. But this is not the same case with the MySQL one. MySQL doesn't support, if I can show you the error here. This, yeah. So here if you see the last one, it's not supported. That's the error here. So what we can do, we will just simply, so that you can see still it's records, duplicate records exist and it's not deleted. So for this, we will just go back to our previous query, select star from CT, and we can see that here it has all the records. So we'll say from here, we will create one more table. Create table emp new as, and I will say select equal, num equal to 1. Let me see. Yeah. Now we can see that the table is created with two unique record and rest of them is just ignored. So in MySQL, that is the drawback, like the analytic functions or delete operations with the auxiliary view is not supported. However, if you are trying the same operations with some other, it will be supported like SQL Server or Oracle. So there it is very straightforward. Like you can use this same query and just simply say delete from CTE where num is greater than 1. So this will delete the all extra record which are present in the table and keep the only one true copy. Now, since this is the drawback of MySQL, so we need to try with this way. And here we can just verify our output. So it says the new table which we have created. So it has only unique record. Now the num extra that we can either keep or remove, it's based on our only decision. So that we can see. So that's This is all guys, like how we can delete the duplicate record from the table. So stay tuned for the more update or more questions.